Hello everyone, welcome again to HostCreed. In this video I am going to show you how can you create an email account from your cPanel account. So at first log into your cPanel and navigate to email account under the email section. From here click on create, and this is the interface to create an webmail account or business account, whatever you call it. So from here you can see the domain section. Select your domain. If you have add-on domains to your cPanel account, you can select them from here and create a webmail with that domain. So after selecting the domain, input your email username, for example info@cyberit.cloud, also support@yourdomain.com, like this. And then you need to set a password. You can generate a random password by clicking here. Also you can put your own password here. So whatever you do, after entering your password, click on create. Now you can see the email has been created successfully. Now to check this email, click on check email. And here your round cube webmail has been loaded. This inbox is called round cube, basically webmail, round cube webmail. So from here you can now send and receive emails from anyone, from any server. You can also use SMTP if you need that. You can see a by default message that will provide you SMTP connection and other necessary details. So this is how you can create an email account from your cPanel account. Hope you all liked this video. Thank you so much. Tata.